Hi everyone, it's Jennifer from the Reid Park Zoo's Education Department, and like you, I care about making choices for the environment. So I thought I would share some tips on how to recycle the most commonly used things that we're using in our house right now, starting with our disinfectant spray. So when we're done, the containers, as long as it's a 1 or 2 plastic, can be rinsed out and then put into your recycling bin. Your paper towels you're using, please throw those in the trash. Please also remember they come from trees. So if you could use a cloth to clean with that then can be washed in the washing machine, that's an even better choice. Then your cardboard tubing, that can go into your recycling bin. Additionally, if you're using lots of tissues right now, please throw your old tissues out. We do not need to recycle our germs, and then our boxes can go into the recycling bin. We might be getting a lot of takeout right now, so if your takeout comes in either a number 1 or number 2 plastic container, please give it a rinse and then throw it in your recycling bin. If your takeout comes in a styrofoam container, unfortunately styrofoam is not recyclable in the city of Tucson, so that would go into the trash. For Chinese takeout, it looks like it should be recyclable. However, if it says that it is microwave safe, it is coated in plastic, so it's cardboard coated in plastic, which makes it not recyclable. So that unfortunately goes into the trash. And your pizza boxes are half recyclable. The bottom is going to be filled with grease, so you're going to want to tear that off and throw that into the garbage. But your top is normally clean, and so that would be clean cardboard that can then go into your recycling bin. We also might be using lots of aluminum cans right now, so anything made out of aluminum, that's actually the very best thing that you can recycle. So any sort of aluminum can, give it a rinse, throw it in the recycling bin. If your top falls off, you can stick the top back in and kind of scrunch it up so that the top is not going to be able to come out of your bin, and then throw it in the recycling bin. The reason for that is within the city of Tucson, because of the machinery used, anything smaller than the size of a tennis ball is going to fall through those machines. So kind of keep that in mind. You don't want to recycle anything smaller than a tennis ball. You don't want to throw it loose in there. And then the very last thing is that we're asking you, please do not recycle any sort of plastic bags into the city of Tucson. The machines, the plastic bags kind of tie up in it and kind of bring the whole system to a halt. So we want to throw out our plastic bags, recycle them to your grocery store, and this also includes any bags from your lettuce or salad. Or better yet, opt to not use plastic bags, use reusable, or find products that are not packaged in so much plastic. So that's about it for me. I want to thank you for listening, and remember, in crazy times, we do have control over the choices that we're making to protect wild animals and wild places. To learn more, visit the Tucson Environmental Services Facebook page or the Reid Park Zoo's website, our conservation page. And please remember, different cities have different guidelines for recycling. So if you're not within the city of Tucson, please check with your local provider so that you can know what to properly recycle in your own city. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon.